Hey, welcome to my channel. For all you newbies, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. For all you that's been here, welcome back. Welcome back. Alright, so look, as y'all see by the title, we have a plant tour. Y'all, I literally took all the plants from every room, literally every room of the house. So let's count honestly how many we have. Like I don't even know how many I have. Like before I had a little more than this. But over time, not taking like really good care of them, or like the certain places they be in, or like you really have to literally pay attention to like the tags that when you get your plants, because that really makes a big difference. Okay, like knowing your plant before you just take it home is a really good thing, because it give you time to actually in the store, like, do I really want to take care of this? Is it something that I might be able to maintain, and things like that. Y'all, this hair is like been getting on my nerve. I actually came across another money tree, y'all, so I'm gonna show it, the one I got to y'all. Alright, so this is my brand new money tree that I just got. You can tell, look at the leaves. So beautiful. When I went to the store, I literally looked through the plants. This was the best looking one. Even though it's one hanging right here, I'm going to let it do its thing. If it stays, it stays. So yeah. And it came in a really cute pot. I actually changed this out. It was in a yellow pot or like something else. I'm not too sure. But yeah, so what I said was, I was like, I'm just going to get the gray one because it's really cute and it matched my decor in the house. So this is the new money tree. It actually came like it was all tied, but y'all see that money tree is just one, even though it's bigger. Yeah, so that's this is that. Most of the plants that I have, majority of them are like the same, like family and stuff like that. So like most of my plants y'all see, especially like this one is really small. um and this long one, I actually have two of these. It's up there. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all, but it's up there on the ledge. So that tree is part of the same family. These trees here are part of the same family. This one here, these two are part, they like, majority of them are part of the family. Majority of my plants, they really like fall down, like they drew. All right, so there is one thing that I did forget to mention before this video ends. What I use for my plants is I use plant food. You can get these probably on Amazon, or you can get them from your local like drugstore, or just anywhere you can look them up that sell plants or anything like that. And also another thing you can use, I don't know how you guys do or maneuver around far as like your eating habits, but if you juice and things like that, and you have compost, far as basically your scraps, you can use that for fertilizer for your plants also. So that is a good tip also. And make sure you're watering your plants when they're dry. And when you feel that the soil is dry, make sure that you're watering your plants. Make sure you're not over watering. When I say over watering, is when you can tip the plant over and there's so much water still at the top. You don't want that on your plants. It's not really good because you're over watering them and it can kill them, and things like that. And anything else I can think of, I just still put it right here down and stuff like that. So that's when I'm kind of going through without the house, like the theme and stuff like that, because when I get like probably a couple years from now, I just really want plants in my house to like be draping all through the house. Because I was just at my brother grandmother house, and my aunt years ago, she had a plant just like this one, and it grew literally like, it was so super long. And she actually had it set up just like this. It was like she had a big mansion, so she had all her plants in like the little living room area. But this is my dragon tree, these two, and then the big one back here, y'all see. This one actually needs I need to trim it. I'm not sure what's going on with the leaves, but it's something going on. This here is a foliage. Most of the plants you get, they say foliage, depending on the plant. But I actually have another one of these too. It's smaller. Make sure y'all be going through y'all leaves too. I just took off two. This one right here is smaller, but they are the same. Like I said, most of your plants, it will say foliage when you get them. So just pay attention. That's why I say most of my plants are all like the same, because most of them are foliage plants, sorry. And they all droop once upon a time. I mean, they will soon, but once upon a time, none of them did. This is another one I've been growing for a couple months. I used to have this in my kitchen, but I actually put this in my bathroom. And you guys, I really wish I can show you guys pictures. This one of the leaves right here is dying because it got water damage. And when I say water damage, is when I told you guys in my bathroom on the windowsill, my plants, they get cold. So that's why I left them in here for a couple days. My date up there is not January 10th. It is today is January 16th. So yeah. And I'm not sure what this one is, but you guys, it's an app. If you want to know like every plant you get and things like that, there's an app called Google Lens, or if you have an iPhone, you can take a picture of your plants and things like that and have every picture and things like that of your plants. But you guys, this is the first plant I had since I moved in my home, and this is the first plant I had in my home since I've been here, and it's been about a little over 2.5 years. So I love it. Be very fragile with your plants. Like, don't be very rough on them because you can damage them, and depending on the leaves, you can just break them. But you guys, right here, I had an issue in my bedroom with the pink flower pot. I was about to say the pink power pot. But this one right here, if you can tell, my leaves had broke because of something in my bedroom. It's the plaque I got. It fell, and it fell on my plant, and it broke it. So what you do is, my mother taught me this trick. I'm about to mess it up again. So what you do is you take some water. Sorry, you guys, let me do this. So what you do is you take water and you place the water inside. You place the plants inside the jars with the water. And then once you do that, you just let them sit. And then at the bottom, they start to grow roots. Now, I just put these ones in here, so they're not going to grow roots because I just put them in. So I have to leave these in here probably, I want to say, for maybe 2 months, maybe. Probably not even that long, because they broke and they immediately went into the water. So it didn't like shock the plant or damage the plant. So like I said, if you can see, like I said, it's been a couple days. If it's like dying and things like that, this one I'm trying to rescue. I'm trying to do my best and see what I can do. I'm just hoping that it grows like this one. Yeah, because that plant, it broke off of this one when I was bringing them in here, and I accidentally stepped on it. But this one goes with this plant, and it broke right here on the end. But it's fine. But yeah, like, I love plants. I actually get this from my mom. My mom loves plants. Like, her home has plants everywhere, like pets, plants, just being like a nature person. I get that from my mom, and I really appreciate having, that in the atmosphere, because we need to be outside. We need to be engaging in like the normal atmosphere. And you guys, it's so like peaceful in my house. Like, my plants, normally I have my water tank on for my okay, so normally I have my water tank on for my turtle, but I haven't, because I actually have to clean his tank. I don't even know what my turtle is. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. But anywho, these are all my plants. I don't know exactly what this one is. I forgot what it is. But this plant right here, it had lily bugs on it. Lily bugs are white bugs. They come on your plant and it starts to eat them up. And my mom just had it on her plant, and I just had it on mine. So what you need to do is you need to take some soapy hot water, not hot water, I'm sorry, some soapy, like whatever type of water you have, and you need to clean the plant off, like the leaves and everything. And that's another thing. You need to be taking care of your plants. You need to be wiping the leaves off. You need to be taking care of all of that. I'm not gonna lie, but I actually lack wiping my plants off or the leaves or something like that. But they're all green, fresh, and things like that. Like I said, this one is the only one I have issues with, is the dragon tree. But you guys, I had this for like months, almost, I want to say getting close to a year. It came with 3 in here, but I separated them into these 2 so that they can distribute throughout the house and stuff like that, so it can make it more earthy around. But if you guys want another plant tour, you want me to go more into details and things like that, then put it in the comments below so I can go over it and watch the comments or even things like that. So if you guys like this video and you thought it was very helpful, I'm not gonna say very helpful, but it makes you want to go buy a plant, go buy it. You can name your plants too. I haven't named one. I did say, since I did just bring this one in, I'm going to name it. I'm going to name this plant Center Rose. I don't know why. I have something else named Center Rose, but it's not a plant. So I'm going to keep Center Rose as this plant for my new money tree. So if you want, you can name your plants when you first get them. So it might be helpful for you to know your plant and things like that. So like I said, if you want to see more videos of plant tours and things like that, then put in the comments down below. And don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video. If you thought it was helpful, any more tips, again, just let me know. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. And again, if you're new, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in another video. Hey. Hey. All right, let me stop. See y'all.